always try to find some time for yourself. Every day. It can be little bit half an hour in the morning, early in the morning, or early late in the night. It's depend according to your time period. But please at least in this particular time try to listen yourself. Sit calm. Please don't do anything. And slowly you realize that your body is starting to send you some messages and your life itself start to clarify the things which are necessary for you or which are not, where you should do work or where you not. So try to get some time for only for yourself. No one else should be in this time. Got it?